Chitariki 13 mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka weta wechirubira nango nsemerongo 24 nigo muraibu cyo ya Kenya muskwira Ruto asioretibe rigena asugo chakwa kwenya gitari ya Cancer Center ime yo mu Cyobosongo. Tare ay mapema mwaka yiga nigaitandetse kurindora wokwagacho kwenya gitari yo asaruto kubode gocha sumunyakonda when kingangwango yare.
No fight, there's no quarrel. You just have to do what you have to do. And I will not allow this kind of thing. Because you've been paid all the money that requires. There is no pending certificate. There is no reason whatsoever why this project is not on. So, no, that's one, that information to be very clear. There are very many contractors like you who are letting us down. And we will not allow them. This is the year for delivery. This is the year that we must get everything done the way we have planned. We've laid out all the plans. This is the year ya kuhakikisha kwamba kila kitu inatembea sawa.
Bethuel nyangweso noyomo bwa ababwa tuburire bwa breast cancer oyokwerere mechando aba wetera ekero bakuriga kinyagitari are ere konyoro bubweni ubwo.
Cancer Center nkoros bwiri busungu gaiga nabona abete no muhoko sana. Ngate abona kero kende nimbe bintu binare kwa nachikurishiko natumeka chibesa chinyinge bono nechikombera raisi yake konyora matibabu yange gaiga usukurwali kwange gaiga. Katika bona yarora kanengo yo aitu igasiye obeire ngora koje korege kore kero president ya chitega iga igakwana no nere nabate betenga tabwa dideni umwaka ne chibesa katika bono ya chire ngora ekwenda ngora mpaka wakumingo muntu na charity ngabantu mbali bachande kitubuli paka netibu kurwali ukwange gaiga
echo tundo no mubwabara ime county ya Kisii oyokwerera na wichandra okurindora ukagacho wensemeyo yoburire bwa cancer
itira abantu abange every time tokwa na matanga there are so many people bago because of cancer tuatagedene ntutwale our cancer center niga and we were promised by the national government that we will have cancer center because Kisii ya very for a long time kaiguru na president yuli tororo lakini techitu chaka igacheka igurwa by the current president igachaka lakini bado ichaenda mbali
na ikero kansa gense comment kana imehoro gongorwa gusi nigo bono baro kubulia ukwango yana gukurwa asinchira bwango eri gukora ogukwa kwa abantu gwetero burire bwa cancer
NCMA ya gusi ya bere nyinge mono kero tukumira na guyara abantu more than 1000 na ende abandi bande comment kera lituko jusi kero tuatara chi constituency ya Busongo na tuanyora ngabantu na vangi barwarite na abandi mbali kunyara na transport yobocha paka Busongo baje kurwari Busongo uka bona ngwe kali ka Busongo ngakira nyana kwa Eldoret ngakira nyana kwa Nakuru kwanyora abantu abange abagukwa asenyede mbali kukira kurwari kuko mapema
since merecho niko boigo abolo koriko ko banyagitari abakuraro burire bwa cancer bwatu manyi sinchirinde oncologists asinchira ya bwanko.
Even in this county government, as you are employing doctors, we are also asking that you also employ oncologists. Ikigara banta abange ebago cancer because ibago abata kurwali go abarwali kubane kurwali go wiru ngao by the time they discover cancer yanyora ya be already very late stage ya chirigoro umuntu takora takugwena. So we need those people babororo elinde bakonye abantu baito because our people are dying.
Asomwa moni ko bono banyako bakobori okwanguyo ukwagacha wensemeyo aswa muri murai simbarat kubwatrina eri gukora amagacha yo
tele gotebanga tutele gobulga ki president and you want to run abantu baito ba Kisii county ya Mabera the project ya cancer center speeded we will need governor ito and the county government management. Then you make sure you work closely with the national government like that the project here promote a project synergy with the national government chigende bwangu
twari gusabanga umwana kandarasyo kwe president yaliteka egatebimba KCS ya healthinga kwana n'umwana kandarasyo yo mwana tari kunyara kwa mereme yo mungaewe parangari yekirenga kibono chiatu achibwende koiru egera tonyara konyora umuradio go kwera bwangu bune kunyarikana last time katuanga na Simbarati ya Kisii na bate betenga within 9 months umuradio na bakonyora ngwede lakini bona ya beire egas ya ekorekananga kenengeo kego kore kororo atugusabanga bari ba usikaine banyare kubwatie kandarasi egera tonyare kokonya ka ba mintu
Reporter ya Oyo Minto TV kure county ya Kisii Ritirana Bethuel Machin.